very, very, very soon I'll be putting this all together and getting out of the truck. Hopefully, it'll be under that thing here pretty shortly. Well, here it is. Spent all day yesterday and this afternoon today getting this thing all welded up. Moved the link-in board. Got dripped on a little bit last night from the rain. I gotta clean that up a little bit. Upper link all welded in there. Closed up the truss, nice and straight. Let's see if we can see. Nice and straight. But what you're looking at represents a good chunk of money. Probably just shy of $1,000. My recent pictures yesterday, I had this track bar mount up here, and I realized that the outside of this edge here is my frame. The frame sits right here, so if I were to go up a couple inches I'd hit that. So I cut a little shorter and dropped it down here, mounted all low and tucked it in right there so I can still access the nuts and whatnot. It'll be a little tight on the cover, but I think it'll be alright. Got quite a bit of spatial constraints to worry about, but I think everything that I've taken a look at onto the truck looks to be that this will fit just fine. But just want to give you guys an update. I only overheated this thing once, and I was going pretty hard on it. I just wasn't paying attention, got in a groove, and just kind of kept welding. But actually quite impressed with this little 240 volt 170 amp MIG welder. Obviously the gas helps a lot, but yeah, not bad all in all. Yeah, Harbor Freight. I did want to touch on just how, I'll say some of these welds came out beautifully, some of these not so much. But I ground back the galvanizing and heated the axle pretty good, top and bottom, welded it. Noticed the truss kind of crowning a little bit, so I heated the bottom up a little bit, and I got her to settle back down, and just kind of kept on doing that, heating the whole thing, welding it, heating the bottom, letting everything kind of run back down. So got a little bit of flat disc work to do, but all in all, for a cast steel housing and a complete noob doing this, I've probably only gone through all of about 10 pounds of wire in my life, but most of which was consumed on this, and I got better as the time progressed. So but yeah, Dana 44 1976 Ford Bronco, I think it's a Bronco. Cast steel, not cast iron. Welded up quite well. So hopefully it'll be under that thing here pretty shortly. Hopefully next weekend. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Very, very, very soon I'll be putting this all together and getting out of the truck. Like and subscribe if you've made it this far in the video.